Hey everyone, Miss Ashley here, and today we are going to draw a cute snail. All right, let's get started. Let's start with our snail's shell, and I'm going to start near the middle of my paper, and I'm going to draw a C. And then I'm going to take this line and we're going to spiral it around and around, and we're going to make it a little bit bigger and stop right about where we started. All right, and now let's make the front of the shell. So I'm going to start here, do a curved line going up and down, and connect it to the bottom of the shell. All right, and then we can draw some details on the shell. I'm going to draw some little curved lines to make the shell look rounded. Just little curved lines going around. Next, let's draw the body. So I'm going to start here on the left side of the shell. We're going to draw a line going up. It's going to curve around and come down, and then it kind of squiggles at the bottom. And then we're going to connect it to the shell. Next, let's draw our snail's eyes. So I'm going to go to the top of its head, and I'm going to draw a line going down and another line going down. And the same on the right. Two little lines. And then at the top, we're going to draw a big circle for its eyes. And the same on this side. And then we're going to draw a smaller circle on the inside. Perfect. Next, let's draw our snail's nose and mouth. So for the nose, I'm just going to do two little lines. And then for the mouth, we're going to draw a little U shape and then a bigger U shape on the bottom. Little lines at the top because he's smiling. And then we'll draw a curved line for the tongue. All right, I think that looks great. Now let's color. Our drawing looks amazing. Now pause the video if you need to finish coloring. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for drawing with me. Have a great day.